Hello my friends, I'm Raymond. I have a 2006 new Beetle, and they all break their handles, their door handles. I'm going to show you a cheap solution for that. Okay, here's the handle, and what I did is I removed the original bolts, and I went and bought hanger tape, and this is 10 feet of it, but they're like $2 or something like that, and they're really flexible. And then I took the tape, the hanger tape, and I went ahead and bent the one side of it so that it doesn't protrude out of here, so that you don't get cut when you grab it. And then I bought some hanger bolts, bolts that are they're 45 millimeters, M6 by 1.0, and you can find them at Lowe's, Home Depot, and stuff like that. They have to be long so that you can, so that they reach the hole in the back all the way down. So I'm gonna put it. I also went ahead and cut the corners of the tape so that it fits easily in here. So you're gonna go in there. You can start it by hand, start it by hand, and then on the other side you might need to make some pressure with, sorry about all the movement, I'm trying to do, I wanted to get me a GoPro. So now you go here. You're gonna have to push a little. And then when you push it a little, you're gonna have to pry it over here with a flat head, so that it can make the curve. You can make the curve. So you can. So what I'm gonna do is hold this while I'm twisting. I suck at this thing, at the camera duty. Trying to hold this thing with the camera at the same time. See how it's prying? So have to do that so that this doesn't come out of the. I'm guessing you don't have to bend it like this. Now I'm realizing that, but you get the idea. Now I'm going to go to the top and secure the top, and now it's tight. That thing is tight. That thing's not going anywhere. Look at that. How tight that is. Now you can. What I did is I cut this thing. This has two little tubes here. I cut them to make it fit, and you can make that fit there with some. You can fit that there with some super glue or something like that, and it will close. It will, you know, it will get in there. Okay, but there it is. Okay, and it's gonna cost you $5 versus if you go to the online and buy the kits and all that stuff, you're gonna spend like 50 to 100, 30 to 100, something like that. Okay, well, I hope I helped you out.